if you know what they done, you know, the man, you know, the one, you know. Right now, me are
Chaddy TV.
Chaddy TV, and we say check him out for all your news, your views, your reviews, and everything you need to know, you see me?
And YouTube, you know, come in say YouTube, that show, and such show, yo.
Yeah, Chaddy, I'm your biggest fan.
Ricky Chopper said that.
It's exploded right now. You know it's a boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. So people are going. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody have a good day. You know what I mean? Today we thought to talk about a very, I don't know if I should say disturbing, but I just want to address a situation in regards to what's going on in Jamaica right now with the crime situation. I think over the weekend, a few days ago, a lady returning resident actually somebody kill her, isn't it? That's a very unfortunate situation, and like this lady make a video and warn people to stay away from Jamaica. So it my fault to talk about, but before me talk about the video, me just gonna show the video. Me gonna see what me I talk about. Me gonna have an understanding in what's going on right now, isn't me? So we are gonna go right in the video now. So this is the video.
Good afternoon, everybody. Is it afternoon? Good morning, everybody. It's not afternoon.
Yeah, man, at night, I know. Good night, you know what I mean?
I wish I could flip my camera to show you how pretty Jamaica is right now. It's December. It's December 4th. The sun is shining in the sky. The sky is blue. Pretty sky.
That's true, Jamaica pretty.
And you can see based on what I have on that it's not cold, it's hot. Right? Beautiful. Look like paradise. And I know all you foreigners, you Jamaicans who live overseas, well want come here. Come experience the warmth, the sunshine, everything. You know, well want after you work so hard in this country, this foreign country where you take up yourself and go to. You well want come home, come retire. But do me a favor and don't come back here. Stay there. Wherever it is you are, in the cold, England, Canada, the US, wherever you are, don't come back here. I am tired of seeing people toil and slave away for them entire life and come back to Jamaica to retire only to lose them life carelessly. I'm tired of it. Just today my heart is so broken because a gentleman from England, from UK, reached out to me. He could not find his partner who came here, who was working on our house for over 8 days. And today, yesterday evening, they found her buried in a shallow grave. Last week, an American woman in Hanover, lived here for 10 years, was found buried in a shallow grave. There's another one from St. Elizabeth, who was staying in St. Elizabeth, who is now missing. It's just not worth it. Nobody come here with the dreams of the big house. We have a problem in Jamaica with bad mind, right? A lot of people here, bad mind, you know, when they don't go away and they don't work hard under some austere conditions where they don't even begin to understand, and them see the money and them just want it. You know, keep on the money and keep on the life and stay where one is. Stay where you are. Don't come here. Don't come here. It ain't worth it. And it's not that I don't love my country, but me in my heart can't foresee the dangers. I can't see what is happening here. I'm not one, you know. It don't make no sense. I can't see what is happening here daily and not warn you that every minute we hear another returning resident is missing and then found dead. No, it's not worth it. If you're coming here for vacation, be careful. Be cautious. But I don't advise any of you to return here after you left here, because Jamaica is not the same Jamaica that you left whenever you leave here donkey years ago. Even if you leave here 5 years ago, it's not the same Jamaica. Take my word for it. Stay where you're there and enjoy your life. Don't come back to Jamaica. And I don't want nobody coming on my post and telling me about how I'm bad-mouthing Jamaica, because I have to live here. I'm the one who is posting all these dead people daily, these missing people. And them not gonna know, man. Yeah, these are people who come here to conduct business, to have a good time, to enjoy them country, and they never return because they are brutally murdered and worse, buried in a shallow grave. Stay where you are. Stay where you are. Don't come here.
Alright, so the message right there was stay where you are. Do not visit Jamaica. So I have to talk about that right now. I have to address it. First thing I have to say, I'm not necessarily like do them video here, you know, because don't like to say yo, me not like highlight what's going on in my country or so. Me just anyway, we can move on. You see me? So probably this gonna be like a one-off thing. Jamaica, as what she says, is a very beautiful place. Yes, very extremely beautiful. Um, just like any other country, Jamaica do have their problem. Jamaica do have their issues and all these things. Me personally wouldn't really say stay away from Jamaica, and that's kind of weird coming from a person who sound like she's a Jamaican, or sound like probably she migrated for Jamaica to the States or wherever and spend a long time up there. Yo, you can't say well, me now say she can't say it because she do it already. But stay away from Jamaica, it kind of strong. I know say Jamaica makes such a big income from tourism and all these things. It kind of strong. I mean, as what me say, every single country in the world have them problem. I'm not gonna sit here and lie to you like we don't have a huge problem, which is crime. But the thing is, me not feel like say returning resident are dead more than anybody else in a Jamaica. Mark, you know, that is a very unfortunate situation for the lady where pass. You see me? And from the other day, really, couple people in a this year returning resident pass. A matter of fact, I talk about one back then when he cocky tractor. She was a dancer, you see me, and unfortunately she passed. Like gunman did come shoot her up and whatever. You see me? So she drop out. But me don't feel say returning residents are die more than anybody else. You just have to be cautious. If you go any other country in the world, don't you go use precaution? So not because you used to live on one place, probably live on one good part of England or probably live on one good part of United States, where you don't worry about crime and violence because in your area they don't have a lot of crime and violence. Not because that is not a problem. When you return home back to Jamaica now, you're going to just walk with a lot of jewelry, expensive phone, a lot of attraction and not use wisdom and know say yo, you know say people we are pray and people we want do people things as what me saying at the beginning, yo. Every country have them problem. Jamaica, that a one problem, yo. We have a bit of crime and a lot of violence, you see me. But I don't feel like say yo, them a target returning residents. I don't feel like it is such an alarm where you need to make a video and upload to social media. Stay away from Jamaica. Jamaica is yo, they're killing returning residents in Jamaica. They're doing this in Jamaica. No. Jamaica beautiful, yo. And we say me have some me go Jamaica the other way the other day. So me have some footage need for upload. And now me not got to that yet a show. Cause I want to share my subscriber them we probably never got to Jamaica how pretty Jamaica is and all these things. Probably me I go do it soon. Me don't know when. Me not promise, you know, a date, but soon. You see me? But Jamaica is safe. It's safe to say Jamaica is safe. However, there are certain sections of Jamaica. If you go and walk and flaunt your jewelry and walk like you're not using common sense and don't see danger and stuff like that, they are going to rob you. blank, them are gonna rob you. If you go some sections of Jamaica and go on like you don't have no sense and just a walk up and down and carefree and now observe your surrounding, they are going to rob you. Same way, like if I go New York or Miami or California or so, and end up in a one of them body area there, and them say I am not from the area, chances are they are going to rob me as well. So it's not like say Jamaica is such as a bad place. No. The world bad. You see me? It's just mankind. You just have to be cautious. You see it? Not because you live where a place is safe or me feel like say I don't know them thing you go on at Jamaica. As I say, me not back it. Me no want to speak out like say yo, me a back what is going on in Jamaica. But me feel like say because you leave Jamaica for years and go live wherever you go live, you get carefree. You see me? So when you go back to Jamaica now, it's like you know remember say, damn, yo, you know where you're there. You see me? So you know say things will happen. It's like you operate just let me give you an example. I'm gonna wrap up that video here. So where I am now, which me not gonna really disclose the location still, but where I am now, you see me put down the phone here, right here so, and leave it. Me I come back come see it. The only thing I go do it, I probably more than likely if rain fall, it will mash up if I know waterproof. Or somebody will go find it and can't go get police. Me can leave my car open with anything in it and nobody no trouble it. Make me go to Jamaica with that same principle. No, me can't do it. You see me? So me just feel like say I just simple steps and precaution need to be done. And you criminal, you no stop make Jamaica look bad, man. I want to no man. You know whole long crime thing no man. A bag of things there the way you can do and know for hustle and them thing there. No. Whole long crime thing, man. You make people I come say yo Jamaica look bad and I paint bad picture at Jamaica and all these things. You see me? Anyway still, it's a boy DJ Chaddy. Tell me what you think in the comment section below. You see me? And for the people them who don't know, I'm conducting a live stream every Monday. Every Monday at 8, I keep a live show where we talk about probably topics like these, including dancehall. Okay, you know, some channel kind of based off of dancehall in a way. So, you can forward, man. Every yeah, me at Saturday, man. Every Monday, every single Monday at 8 o'clock, just check in. It's your boy DJ Chaddy. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and all those lovely things. I'm out.